Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net. In today's video, I'm going to help you out with permanently deleting Telegram account. I will talk about everything that happens when you delete your Telegram account. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So to delete your Telegram account, as you know that there is no direct option given on the Telegram app. Alright, so there is no delete button that they have provided in the Telegram app. So what you have to do is you have to open a browser on your mobile device, and now here you have to type delete Telegram account. Now here you have to click on the first link that you see. And now here, as you can see, it's written that delete account or manage apps. Log in here to manage your apps using Telegram API or delete your account. Enter your number and we will send you a confirmation code via Telegram, not SMS. Alright, so here you have to enter your phone number that you are using to use your Telegram account. So make sure to enter your number in the international format. Alright, so you have to enter your mobile number along with your country code, and then you will get a confirmation code on the Telegram app. Alright, so here I am going to enter my phone number. After entering the number, press next. So as you can see, confirmation code we have to enter right here. So I will go back to the Telegram app and then get the code from there. So here is the code I have received from them. Alright, so this is the code written here. This is your login code. So I have to copy this and paste it here, or I have to manually write the code in the given blank. So I will just write the code here and then I will copy it. Now I will go back to the browser and then I will paste it there. Alright, now you have to press sign in. As you can see, now you are getting three options. First is to use API development tools, delete account and log out. Alright, so we will press on delete account. And now here you will get all the information that what happens when you delete your Telegram account. So it's written that if you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted beyond retrieval. It means that they cannot be recovered once you delete them. Alright, so all groups and channels that you have created will be orphaned and left without a creator, but admins will retain their rights. Alright, so there is a warning as well. Please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So if you are going to delete your account right now, you may not be able to use the same number to create a Telegram account again for a few days. Alright, you may have to wait for 7 days or 10 days to use that number again. Alright, so now next it's written that if you want to change your number, you can do that. Alright, so here your phone number is already mentioned along with the code. Now you have to give them a reason why are you leaving this app, and then you have to press delete my account. So you can press any reason you want, that you have more than one Telegram account and so and so. So once you press this button delete my account, you will again see a warning that are you sure. So this is the last warning that you will see, and after that your account will get permanently deleted. Alright, so if you will press that red button that you see, yes, delete my account, you will no longer be able to recover your account, your chats and your messages. Alright, your contacts. So yeah, it's written that please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So to sign up again, you may have to wait for a few days. So yeah, you can also select nope, I will give it another try, or if you are sure that you want to delete your account, you can just press yes, delete my account. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Also press the bell icon to stay notified of my latest videos. You can write down all your queries in the comment box down below and I will be back soon with my next video.